bird dog. So this movement, we are going to be targeting the glutes, the core, and the upper back muscles. Really the full body movement here. So we're going to get down on all fours, roughly 90 degrees at the legs, 90 degrees at the arms. And this regressed version is a great way to start, where we're going to extend one leg back and really squeeze the glutes, and one leg forward and really reach and stretch the back muscles. As you get better at that, you can lift one leg off the ground and one arm off the ground at the same time. One key thing to focus on here and imagine is that your planted knee and your planted arm, you want to create tension between those points. So imagine pulling your arm towards your pelvis and pulling your knee towards your arm. That'll ensure that your core is activated. We do not want our core to collapse here, or our ribs to flare. We want to maintain a nice braced core, a nice straight line there, and really focus on glute contraction in the backside, and then reaching forward with that arm to get a stretch in your back muscles. This is another great exercise to start your day with, break up periods of sitting with, and do whenever you feel like it.